So only thing I have handy on me is a 5/16, and I'm using a 12-sided 5/16. You can see the ridges on the inside of there. It fits on there real nicely, and I'm using a 1/4 inch, some 1/4 inch extensions. And it gets it right off of there. So lastly, all you're gonna have to do is really just kind of get something underneath where this rubber gasket is, going alongside of here. And it looks like there's a prying point right here. We'll get a pry bar and try to get that unstuck from there. Alright, so we did get that on the wedge from right there. So here's the only problem, is I actually have the motor on one of the bolts for the oil pan. So now the motor is being held on by 3 bolts.